Assalamu alaikum. Now we will discuss the how a blockchain works and its key features. First of all, blockchain. Let's dive into the word of blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is decentralized, distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-proof data storage and transfer. It uses cryptographic algorithms to link blocks of data, creating a permanent and unal- unalterable record. Key features: decentralized. Blockchain operates on a network of nodes rather than a single central authority. Immutable, the blockchain ladder is tamper-proof, ensuring data integrity and security. Transparent, all transactions are recorded publicly, allowing for transparency and accountability. Now we will discuss consensus mechanisms. Nodes on the network validate transactions through consensus mechanisms such as proof of work or work of stake. Now we will discuss types of blockchains: public blockchains, private blockchains, hybrid blockchains. Now we will discuss public blockchains. Public blockchains, open source blockchains like Bitcoin, and these allow anyone to participate. Now, private blockchain, permissioned blockchains often used in enterprise settings restrict access to authorized nodes. Hybrid blockchains combine elements of public and private blockchains. Now, applications of the blockchain technology. Number one, cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is the foundation for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and others. Supply chain management. Blockchain can track goods, materials, and inventory in real time. Smart contracts, self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement written directly into code. Identify verification. Blockchain can provide secure and decentralized identity verification. Healthcare. Blockchain can securely store medical records, track prescriptions, and enable sharing of medical data. Now we will discuss benefits. Number one, security. Blockchain, decentralized and immutable nature, ensures data security and integrity. Transparency. Public blockchain provide transparency, enabling the accountability and trust. Efficiency. Blockchain can automate processes, reducing the need for intermediates and increasing efficiency. Challenges and limitations. Scalability. Blockchain decentralized nature can lead to scalability issues. Regulation. Blockchain operates in a regulatory gray area with varying laws and guidelines. Interoperability. Different blockchain platforms may not be compatible, hindering seamless interaction. Future prospects. Adoption. Increased adoption of blockchain technology in various industries. Innovation. Continued innovation in blockchain technology such as improved scalability and interoperability. Regulatory clarity. Clear regulations and guidelines for the blockchain technology. Getting started. Learn block basics. Learn and explore block platforms. Join blockchain communities. Participate in online forums and communities to stay updated on the latest develops. And explore blockchain. Familiarize yourself with popular blockchain platforms with the Hyperledger. Learn blockchain basic. Understand the fundamentals of the blockchain technology.